Hello, this is Shaylin 3D Printing, and I'm going to go over bed cleaning. Why would you want to do bed cleaning, though, in the first place? The main reason I find is because your hands are very oily, and if you get that oil on your bed, over time it can build up and make your prints not stick as well. So first thing, avoid touching your bed. But if you do, and it starts to not stick as well, I recommend using isopropyl alcohol. I got 91% isopropyl alcohol. That's a little too strong. You can use it 91%, but I like to dilute it, so I just dilute it into a little bottle. And then I just spray the whole bed with a light misting from the bottle. And then once I get lightly misted, I just wipe it around and let it dry. And I find this really helps the print stick a lot better. I don't do it every single time I go print. I just usually go and do it whenever I start to see problems with it printing. So if you guys got any other recommendations for cleaning your bed, go ahead and leave them down below. And thank you for watching.